Due to the fairly small size of the Pilates chair, it's easy to feel like the options are limited when teaching on one. That's where the Wunda Chair Refresh Workshop from Trey comes in. At the end of this program, you'll be feeling inspired to explore this small but mighty piece of equipment in a whole new way. Ranging from classical Pilates moves to contemporary variations, Trey breaks down and provides demonstrations for over 40 exercises on a Contrology Wunda chair, but that can be used on any chair in your studio. In addition, modifications, regressions, and progressions are provided for most exercises, which makes this workshop incredibly valuable to instructors. Trey moves at the perfect pace, explaining things in depth, but wasting no time moving along to the next exercise. You'll learn how to take your teaching to another level and keep things interesting for your clients. We hope you enjoy this workshop and never stop learning.